Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm gonna make a pasta dish, quick pasta dish tonight, which is called Cacio e Uova, which means cheese and egg. That's it, cheese and egg, that's all we need. Well, we're gonna need some garlic and some black pepper, and I have a feeling I'm gonna throw in some shrimp in there too, but the main sauce, simple to put together, cheese and egg. So we start off with, we need 3 eggs. Actually, we need 2 whole eggs plus 1 yolk. And you're gonna put that, plus 1 yolk. So get rid of the white, and we just need the yolk. Whoops, okay. Beautiful. Now, you're gonna put that in a bowl that heatproof, which this is. In the meantime, as I'm getting this ready, I've got my pasta cooking on the side here. This is a dish that you can get it all ready as your pasta's cooking. So, 2 eggs, 1 yolk. Then we're gonna put in some, I have grated Parmesan cheese. Okay. And I'm gonna also put in, that was grated Romano cheese. And this is the Parmesan. Parmigiano-Reggiano. I'm gonna mix a little bit of that in there. So we got 2 types of cheese. Some black pepper. Now, I've already added salt to the pasta. So I'm not adding more salt to this, plus the cheese is already salty. We're gonna mix that up. And I'll show you exactly what we want. This is something like a carbonara sauce. Very similar actually, except I wouldn't use all that cheese for a carbonara sauce. And that's exactly what we want. That's the texture that we want. Okay? So, we're gonna set this aside. Done. So, that's gonna sit here. I'm not gonna need this whisk anymore. Set that aside. Now what we're gonna do, let me push you over here. Now, what we're gonna do is let's give this pasta a stir. We have a couple of seconds, a couple of minutes to go, maybe a minute before that's ready. In the meantime now, I put some butter in my pan. So we're gonna melt that down. Okay. And to this, we're gonna add some garlic. This garlic's already chopped up and ready to go. One spoon of garlic should be enough. Okay, I like garlic. spoon and a half. So, this hurry up and melt down. It's out of my way. Actually, I could have put this on even sooner. Once this is melted, and once that pasta is ready, which is going to be ready right now, beautiful. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take the pasta. Oh, actually, I can use this. Perfect. Put this heat down to simmer. I am not taking the pasta out of the water. I'm not throwing out that pasta water. I'm going to need that for this dish. So, we're going to take the pasta and put it right in there. That's, I'm going to mix it so that the butter goes all over the pasta. As I'm keeping the heat on very low. Okay? Okay, well, actually there's a couple more pastas in here. And there we go. So now, like I said, we're keeping the water from the pasta. I call that liquid gold, and that's exactly what it is. Okay. This nicely buttered. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our cheese and egg mixture. We're going to take this off the heat. Oh. We had a runaway pasta. He didn't want to come in. And we're going to put this all in the cheese and egg. And we're going to start mixing that. That's what I need. We're going to put the hot water, I think 1.5 scoops, should be fine. Now what we're going to do is we're going to just place this on here because the steam from the bottom is going to help to incorporate everything together and cook the egg. We don't want the egg to turn into like a scrambled egg. That's not what we want. We want this to be nice and creamy. So, I just placed it on top of the pot that I had take the water out, that I took the pasta out of. Okay, without letting the bottom touch the water, just so that that steam keeps it nice and warm. See? I had this dish last week at that restaurant called Italy. And I thought, oh my God, I loved it so much. I thought, I need to make it at home. How hard could it be? Well, you know what? I researched. This is not hard at all. And it's delicious. So now what I'm gonna do is I have some shrimp already cooked. I'm just going to warm them up, like just saute them a little bit and then add them to my pasta. I think this is ready. Taste test. Oh my God. Spot on. Oh, I can't wait for my husband to have it. Okay. Thank you. I'll talk to you later.